Hello traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Gent FX, and if this is your first time on my YouTube channel, please do me a favor by hitting the subscribe button and turning on the notification bell. And if you are a returning subscriber, please do know that I really appreciate your efforts, and all of you please like this video for it to be recommended to other traders. So in this video, I'll be teaching you the strategy that I used to move this market from here to here, and I made up to 180 pips on this video. So, like I said, let's hop into the strategy. I've been posting this strategy for a while. It is smart money concept strategy. Smart money concept strategy. Mostly currency traders use it, but after learning it, I found out that it do happen on the synthetic index also. So let's do it right away. The 15 minutes time frame. So I entered this trade when the market is still here, because I'm trying to get to bed, so the market is still here. So I'm very sleepy, so I couldn't wait for it to touch here. So I set my TP here, my stop loss slightly above here. Then this is my anticipation, but not to be greedy, I decided to put my TP here. So you can see market move exactly as I said and touch my last line of TP. You can see how awesome this strategy is. So I don't know. So let me start with 5-minute strategy. So how did I enter this trade? First of all, it's smart money concept. You have to know one thing. You have to follow the trend. Like normally, every trader follow the trend, so no one is trading against trend. So this is the last high that caused this low. So when market broke it, this is called change of character. Then market retested. So when market created this low here, there is already another block formed, and if you want to see it, let's go to our 1 hour time frame for you to see it clear. You see this other block. You see the other block here. This is the last bearish candle before this movement. So and it breaks structure here. So let's go back to our 15 minutes time frame. Our 5 minutes time frame and continue our explanation. So as I already told you, so the market hit our last low after this last high and created other block and start moving upward. After market hit this our last low and created that other block and demand zone, then the market moved and broke our last high that caused the low, When it break it, we know that the trend have changed a little bit. So then we mark our supply zone here. And wait patiently for price to return. So do you know why I like this strategy? If you have patience enough, you will be among the people that enjoy it. Because if you look, this is a trend line. Many traders, we call them retail traders, will be trying to be buying here, and here. But eventually, these brokers trap them all their stop loss was hit. So that's one thing smart money strategy is good. So after change of character, it keeps breaking structure. It breaks structure, breaks structure, breaks structure. Then take the liquidity. We call this trend line liquidity. Then improve the liquidity and hit my buyer limit order, and can see the market move to my favor. So that is all about smart money concept. And if you have any question regarding this video, please feel free to comment at the comment section. We attend to any of your problem, any of your question. I will answer it without any hesitation. And you can see I follow the rules. I follow the rules and the market moves awesomely. So that is it. And if you found this content so valuable, please recommend it by liking this video. Please like it and subscribe and share if possible, please. And I believe you are going to do it. Let's keep this channel moving. Thank you.